Hey beauties, what's your biggest eyebrow struggle? Too thin, uneven, or just you don't know where to start? Comment below, I want to know. And don't worry, today I'm showing you an easy eyebrow tutorial for beginners, and by the end you'll have eyebrows that slay without spending hours, so keep watching. So step one, it's the shaping and grooming of the eyebrows. You brush your eyebrows upward with a spoolie, and this shows the natural shape and stray hairs, and you should trim just a little if needed. Mine have already trimmed. I use the tweezers to trim the excess eyebrows. The second step is outlining and defining your eyebrows. My go-to eye pencil is Davis Brown number 3. It's not so dark for my skin tone, and also it's not so light. I'll also be using this small mirror when doing the eyebrows. Always make sure you use a sharp eye pencil. Then you start lightly by sketching the bottom of your brow. Then at the corner you make a soft curve. For the top line, you follow the natural arc, and remember it's soft strokes, not harsh lines. The third step is filling in the brows. Use tiny hair-like strokes to fill sparse areas. Start from the middle and go outwards, and make sure you keep the front soft and natural, because nobody likes a blocky brow. You again go in with your spoolie to blend everything. The fourth step is clean up and perfecting the eyebrows. These are the brushes that I use for the eyebrows, but this is my favorite brush. I use this small brush and concealer to sharpen the bottom of my brows. The concealer that I use is a Pro Concealer in shade Fawn. It's brighter than my skin tone, so that's what I use for the bottom of the brows. On the upper part of the eyebrow, I use the normal foundation that I use on my face. I use the Zaron foundation, and it's in the same shade as my skin tone, and I use it for a natural look and natural finish. Then after finishing doing that, I blend well for a flawless finish. And our last step is blending. I use this big brush to blend in the foundation and also the concealer. For the other eyebrow, I'll follow the same process that I used on the first one, but I'll speed it up because I don't want the video to be so long, so just keep watching. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section how you think of the process. And now it's your turn. Try it out and tell me also in the comment sections which step was trickiest for you. Then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a beauty hack. Thank you for watching.